Hi YouTube. I'm out enjoying the evening, and I just wanted to remind you to enjoy the trees. Trees are the creator's example of, if you plant a seed, you can watch it grow. That's what a tree is, a seed that has grown. Trees are the record keepers, and I say they keep records because they have been here for many, many years. Some trees in different parts of the world have been growing for hundreds of years, if not longer than that. Trees also, they can communicate. They have seen a lot as things have been built up around them. They have witnessed a lot. They have witnessed tragedy. They have witnessed just different things that the normal human being have not seen. They have experienced different things at different times. And it's my belief that trees can send messages to different parts of the world. And my theory comes from, because they are rooted in the ground, their roots are connected to other roots. And so if you want to get a message to someone, if you are in communication with a tree, then just, release your message. Tell this particular someone or whatever, whoever, what you're feeling, what you're thinking, and these trees will get your message across. This is one particular tree that I enjoy, and I come out and I talk to. You see the tree is waving. That is so funny because sometimes the tree is still, but when I talk to the tree, it does move in communication. I did ask for permission for me to film it, and you see how it moves and picked up wind. I come out and I talk and I just meditate and I ask questions. The tree, of course, does not physically speak back to me, but I have thoughts that's implanted in my head that seem logical enough from the trees. So make sure you guys get out and speak to nature. Find a tree that you feel comfortable with, that you connect with. Sit up under the tree, touch the tree, see what happens. See if after you ask a question or two, if it starts swaying back and forth to your answers. Well, anyway, YouTube, enjoy your day.